Quick video on these stainless steel braided faucet. This looks like a Speedy Plum Plus trademark from Brasscraft. These things I would stay away from big time. Yeah, they look awesome on the outside. They got this nice steel braid. It looks really great, and it is great. I mean, it's nice. It's resistant and everything, but I don't know how many years it took. It wasn't more than 3 or 4 probably that I replaced these, and I started getting black flakes in my, especially on the hot water side, really only on the hot water side, major black flakes like this, just clogging up the aerator. When I'd remove the aerator, I would turn on the water, and especially when the aerator's off and the flow is a lot higher, all these little black flakes would start coming through, big ones too, and it would clog up the aerator. And I knew, based on some YouTube videos, that behind these nice braided stainless steel things is a tube made out of whatever that this type of rubber is prone to the chlorine breaking down and basically looking like this. So I cut a piece off, slit the thing in 2, and look at this nasty stuff that's basically breaking down due to the water, chlorine and what have you. So ultimately the walls of this thing would probably fail, obviously due to this deterioration, but my suggestion to you would be to stay away from these black braided ones. Go with the same company, I guess. This is Brasscraft. Actually, I'm not sure. These are at Home Depot too, although they really push those stainless steel ones, which is no surprise. They look like top quality, but I'm not even sure what brand this is. But basically it's a PVC supply line. It's white. Inside of this guy is not, I don't think breaks down like this black rubber does. So regardless, if you have the black stainless steel, I would, you've had it more than 3 years, I'd probably go ahead and replace them. And if you're wondering where all that black crap is on high flow hot water sides, it's more than likely the walls of these things deteriorating. And you can't really see it because this nice stainless steel braiding is covering it up. So thought I'd do a quick video and prove that this is what's happening. Again, it's on all these braided steel ones is what I think this black type of rubber is used for.